is hot, and that old clock is moving slow. So am I. The workday passes like molasses in the wintertime. Yeah, but it's July. Getting paid by the hour and over by the minute. Boss just took me over the limit. I'd love to call in something, but I think I'll just call it a day. Pour me something tall and strong, make it a hurricane before I go insane. It's only 12:30, but I don't care. It's 5 o'clock somewhere. This lunch break, it's gonna take all afternoon and half the night. Tomorrow I know that there will be hell to pay. Hey, but that's alright. I ain't had a day off now in over a year. My Jamaican vacation's gonna start right here. If the phone is for me, you can just tell them I sail away. Pour me something tall and strong, make it a hurricane before I go insane. It's only 12:30, but I don't care. Hello, it's 5 o'clock somewhere. 5 o'clock in Midway now. I could pay off my tab, pour myself in a cab, and be back to work before 2. At a moment like this, you can't help but wonder, what would Jimmy Buffett do? I would play Fenway Park.